What's going on, everyone? This is Dalen, and I'm here to show you my sketch. I know it might not sound too great because I had to record the audio separately in order to make it work. But we're gonna make it do what it do, as Ray Charles would say. My sketch is called "Color Me Everything," and it incorporates the video processing sketch that Ben created. Basically, it uses that black and white video capture sketch he created, and I'm incorporating sound using samples from the Dells, which is an old 70s band, and the song is called "Love Is Beautiful." Speaking about uh, different colors and kind of emotions that they convey. And so let's get into the sketch real quick before we actually view it. The code, I should say. First up top here, we have my processing sound and processing video. That is for our sound and video. My different sound files here. A little background: before I actually started this, I took the sample into Adobe Audition and cut out the parts that I wanted to use. There are 4 different sections of the song. There's the intro, which you'll first hear when I play it, and then we have the red section, which is the red sample, green sample, and blue sample. Um, and down here is our video capture, and let's get into the setup. So my setup here is the 640 by 480, and these are all my different sound files. So like I said before, the intro and the MP3 is where they're located: red, green, blue. And then this pretty much is my this is the play function. Oh, not function, I should say. This is the I forgot the name of the word, but basically this plays the intro when you first comes on. And my capture is giving me the width and height. And let's move forward a little bit to the draw. I have my if statement. This is basically reading the video pixels. This is my for loop for the pixel and the length, and also my color. I'll start off with the black and white, and then I have my if statements here. So if you hit the R key, the color will change to red, the green key, blue, G for the green key, and B for the blue key. And at the end, this basically updates the video pixels and make sure that they don't continuously run, that it's one time. And then I have my key press here. And this is Ben was actually a good help with this. So I have my key code, and this is basically the numerical actual on the keyboard. That number 82 is R. So if I hit the R key, the sound file red will play, and same with the 71, which is the green, and 66, which is blue. So when I either hit one of those keys, that sample will play. And this is kind of the tricky part. It wasn't really that tricky, but I kind of made it harder than it actually is. Um, this is with key release, so I didn't want to have all of the samples play over top of each other, so I wanted them to hear it clearly. So if you hit the red key, you stop the intro, you stop the green, and you stop the blue if need be. And same thing with green, and same thing with blue. So that's all this sound file intro dot stop. So that pretty much stops them. And that's pretty much it. So let's get into it. And that's it, good people. I think it's kind of simple sketch, but it's a little bit complex to make it work. But I think it's cool. Some changes I would have made. I kind of want if I had more time, I would have maybe changed the shape of the pixels in each one. Maybe added like a different shape to each color, which I think I might work on. And maybe for the intro part, maybe have those various colors in there to make it maybe pop a little more instead of just a black and white. But I think this is pretty much a good start. I think that's it. And I will see you guys online. Also, I'm loving the sketches I've seen so far. They've been really interesting and dope. And I hope uh, everyone continues to go on and get our processing and coding game together. And that's it. I'm done talking. See you guys later. Peace.